Big up on yourself, YouTube. Back again, part 2 of building my dream home. We're here today. We're gonna work on the roof as usual. We're putting on a decking, but we're not doing the decking today. We're putting on some steel and we're gonna put in some pipes. And as the day goes on, you'll see our progress. See you later, guys. Yes, YouTube. Take a look at the progress we have done so far. Most of the steel is laid out on the decking already. Now Dougie is in the process of tying up all the steel to keep it firm on the decking. After this, I'll show you the progress as we go on. Later. We're about 90% finished steeling. We just finished putting up the wall bars. Now this is the result of all the work that has been done all day. Now we're getting ready to put in some pipes. Doug is there checking all the pipes and seeing where everything's supposed to go. When the pipes are finished, I'll show you what's going on. Yes, Facebook, it's been a long day, but we're getting there. Doug is putting in the pipes, as you can see, but we're just starting. So once we progress a little further, I'll show you the results later. Yes, Facebook, it's been a long day. We didn't get to finish piping up, but there's always another day. We're giving God thanks for what we have did today, you know. So see you again another time in part 3.